stickers. She gave some to her friends. Now she only has 8 stickers. So, Steven, pay attention. Crisscross applesauce. So how many did she give away to her friends? So she had 11 stickers. She gave away some.
How many some?
We gotta figure that out. Now she only has 8 stickers. So think about it. Now she only has 8 stickers. How many did she give away to her friends? Steven. How many? 3. How did you get 3, Steven?
I looked at that.
At this chart?
Yes.
Okay, where did you start off at?
11, 10, 9, 8.
Okay, so you started at 11, and you counted back? 10, 9, and 8. And so how many jumps did I do? 3. So that's how you got your number. Awesome job. Good strategy. Who else? Did someone else use a different strategy?
I agree with him. I agree with Steven too.
Anyone else use a different strategy? Sam?
That I started at 11 and I went back.
You went back 3? So did you just count back, or did you use the 120 chart, or did you use the number line, or did you just do it in your head?
No.
Number line? Okay, so you used a number line. Who's the right number line?
I agree. I was agreeing.
Did I call on you? I didn't call on anyone else but Sam.
And Steven.
Kimber, did you use a different strategy?
No.
What was your strategy?
I
Hands in your lap.
took away 2 and I got 8 more.
Took away 2 from what?
No. I took away 3 actually, and I went to 11 to 9, and I got 8. So that's it.
So you counted back just like Steven and Sam did?
Yes.
Okay. So how can we write that in a number sentence? So we know we started at 11 and we counted back.
11 minus
Did I call on you? Did I call on you? Levi, how can I write that in a number sentence?
I agree with Steven.
Okay, but I'm asking for a number sentence. I'm glad you agree with someone, but I'm asking for a number sentence that matches with our problem. Brooklyn.
11 take away 3 equal 8.
11 minus 3 equals 8.
I was going to do something else.
Can we write a different number sentence?
Yes.
Shh, raise your hand. Can we write a different number sentence? That is true, but we can write another true number sentence. Aubrey.
7 plus 1 equals 8.
Okay, but we're using these numbers. That's true, but we're using how we got our answer. That is true. Grayson.
24.
Is that our numbers that we're using? Remember our fact families? We only use an 11, 8, and 3. We don't have any strangers in our fact family. So a number sentence that is still true to our problem. Iris.
I agree on that one.
That one, do you think you could write it in a different way though, and it still be true?
I do. Probably if you do like 11 minus 1 and 2.
Okay, so you are. What about if I switch these two though? These two numbers. What if I switch the 3 and the 8?
Is the 11 minus 8?
11 minus 8 would be what? What would it equal to? 3. So these are both the same, right? They're both in the same fact family, right, friends? Yes. All right, so today we're going to learn all the different ways we can make 20. So all eyes and ears over here. Aubrey and Kimber, can y'all scoot that way? All eyes and ears on me. So remember when we did our rainbow, when we did 10? Remember we had a rainbow and like 10 plus 0 is 10. Do y'all remember that? So today, cover your mouth when you're coughing, whoever that was. Cover your mouth next time. So today we're going to learn all the different ways we can make 20. So instead of 10 frames, I made 20 frames because we're all trying to find number sentences that equal 20, Kaylee. The jacket's a problem. Go put it in your locker. Actually, just go ahead and put it in your locker. It's not that cold. Hurry up. Okay. So I have 14 plus something is going to equal 20. Because remember I told you this is our 20 frame. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color 14 squares in. So 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So how many more do I need to make 20? How many more do I need to make 20? So 14 plus something equals 20. Preston.
6.
6. And how did you get that?
Because I knew, because I already know what 3 plus 3 is, so I just looked at that thing to see if there was 3 in it, 3, so I knew it would be 20.
Oh, okay. So you just knew there was 3 squares and 3 squares, so then 3 plus 3 is 6. So then you knew that 14 plus 6 is 20. Awesome. So 1, 2, let's see if he's right. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 14 plus 6 equals what? 20.
I knew it was that because 6 plus 4 is 10, and then if you add 14 and you add a smaller number, it makes 20 because it's in a 10.
Okay, so you were saying you're taking the 10 from 14, and you know 4 plus 6 is 10? Wow, that's an awesome strategy. Love it. But next time, don't blurt out, okay? Awesome strategy, but don't blurt things out. All right, the next one. It says something plus 5. And what's it going to equal to again, class? 20. So what's the number that we do know, class? 5, Kimber. So I'm going to go ahead and color in 5. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can someone tell me what they think the mystery number is? So something plus 5 equals 20. So what's our mystery number? And tell me how you solved it too. Case.
I think it's 10.
You think it's 10? Why do you think it's 10?
Because there's a 5 and then 10 makes 20.
Why don't you look at the at our 120 chart. Start at 5 and then add 10. Does that get you to 20?
Nope. 2 times 10.
2 times 10?
We're not on times yet.
Yeah, we're not on times yet.
I know what you're saying.
Here, let me help you out. Got a stretch over here. Okay. All right, Case. So if we're starting at what number, Case? 5. number are we getting to?
20.
Grayson, you need to pay attention. 20. So let's count how many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would have been 10. So you said 5 plus 10 equals 20. Is that true? So this is 10. Let's do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I knew it.
So 5 plus what is 20 in case? 15. Does that make sense now? Okay. Let's double check if we're right using our 20 frame. So you ready to count with me? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So were we right? Yes, awesome. I hear a lot of other talking. All right, let's do the next one. So 1 plus something is going to equal what? 20. So we just have 1. So let's just draw 1 square. Just 1. So how can we solve that? Can someone tell me how they solved it and what the answer is? So tell me your strategy and your answer. Corey.
I know that if you have 2 and 19, that would be 18. So then I took away the 2, and then I stayed with 1, and then I knew that it would be 19.
That is so awesome. I love that strategy that you came up with. Let's double check your answer and see if you're right. You ready? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Awesome job, Corey. You got it right. I said 19. All right, let's do the next one. So Corey actually kind of helped us with the next one. He kind of answered it for us, but I want to see if someone else knows how to solve this next one. He helped us, but I think we can solve it for ourselves too. Someone else can solve it. Well, let me go ahead and write 20. So 1 plus 19 is 20.
It kind of looks like a sky. And I'll be holding it up.
Brooklyn.
2.
2, and how did you get 2?
It's because I know 8 plus 2 is 10.
Okay.
And
Sam, pay attention.
if I added 8, and if you add 10 to the 8, it is, and add 2 more, it's in Harry Sunny.
I love that strategy. So you're making 10 to solve how to do 18 plus 2 equals 20. That is awesome, Sophia and Steven. I really hope you're paying attention. This is so, so important. So let's go ahead and let's just make sure she's right. Let's count out our number that we already know, which is what? 18. So let's go ahead and count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whoop, that's it. That's 18. And she said 18 plus 2 is 20. So let's make sure and see if she's right. So 19, 20. Let's give ourselves a round of applause for solving all of these. Fantastic. Awesome job. So I want y'all to go ahead and go find your seat. Make sure your desk is cleared off. So find your seat.
No, find your seat. Find your seat.
what we're going to do next. So we're going to do a couple problems together, and then you're going to work with a partner. So it's really important that you're paying attention. Oh, Pace. So I asked you to put your marker in no man's land, which means you're not touching it, you're not drawing anything. It's in no man's land. Okay. Levi. Open your ears and listen, okay? Alright, so each partner is going to get 20 counters. And your partner is going to hide some in the cup. So let's double check I have 20 counters. Let's make sure Miss Cal knows how to count. So ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21.
Yep.
21.
All right. So I'm just going to grab some, and I have them in my cup. So they're hidden. So can someone tell me how many counters I have? How many counters do I have? So count them and raise your hand when you got your answer. Nicholas, how many do I have? 11. Does everyone agree? Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs up if you agree with Nicholas that we have 11. Gavin, do we have 11? Awesome. So we know we have 11. And how many did we start off with total?
20.
20. So we have 11 plus something is going to equal 20. Can someone tell me how they can solve that? How can we find that mystery number? How can we find that mystery number? So when you get your answer, I want you to tell me how you got it. Case, how did you get your answer? So 11 plus something equals 20. What can we do to solve? How did you get 11 more? By counting in your head, or did you use your number line?
In my head.
Okay, put your finger in 11 on your number line. And I want everyone to do this. So put your finger on 11. And I want you to count how many jumps it takes to get to 20. And just keep your answer in your head. Don't say it out loud. Just keep it in your head. So, Case, what's the answer now? 9. So does that make sense now that you can put your finger on the number line and see how many jumps? So it's 9. So 11 plus 9 equals 20. So let's check his answer. Y'all ready?
Yes.
So let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. Round of applause. We got that right. All right, let's do one more together. All right. So I already have some hidden in the cup. And these are a lot of dots, so we'll just count them together this time. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. So 15 plus something is going to equal what, class? What's it going to equal? 20. So what's that mystery number? And I want you to tell me how you got that mystery number. Kaylin. 5. And how did you get 5? You used your number line, so it took 5 jumps to count on to 20. Steven, I don't know why we're messing with the books when we're doing math. So thumbs up if y'all got the same answer. Did everyone else get 5?
Yeah.
Did Did anyone else get anything different? Awesome. So we're going to do this as a partners. So let's see. And I want you to be writing your answer just like I did. So everything that I did up here is what you're going to be doing with your partner. So partner 1's going to hide the counters in the cup. Partner 2's going to solve it. Then you're going to switch, and then partner 2's going to hide it, and then partner 1's going to figure out the answer. Thumbs up if you understand what we're doing. Thumbs up. Do you understand? All right, so I'm going to come around, figure out who's partner 1 and who's partner 2. When I give you your cups and counters, you're going to go ahead and start. Okay? So Sophia and Gavin, your partners. And count your counters, because I'm just giving you a handful. So make sure you have 20 counters. Up here with Cassiella. Count your counters because it may be more than 20, okay?
Four.
Count to see if that's 20. Oh, we're working on that. All right, make sure this is 20. Oh, Levi's giving me some. Make sure when I give you your counters that you have 20. Just give us a handful. Kaylee, come sit right here. Irish, you can sit over here. Make sure you have 20 counters, because I'm just giving you a handful.
I'm done.
So partner 1 is solving it. So partner 2 hides them. Hides them in the cup.
I mean, take away. Five. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! I got it. Okay, write it on your desk. Here, you can use my tissue. Oh, so you have to do the but that's too easy. Okay, ready? Your turn. Wait, there's a dot in it. I know it. You have. Don't take our dot. It is my number. Now you can't. Now you minus 12. I put a dot in it.
Okay, so how many do you have? How many do you have? So write 7. 7 plus. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, that's a backward 7, but it's okay. So 7 plus something equals what?
It's hard.
What do you think? 20. 20. Okay, so what can you do to solve this? So you know you have 7. What can you do to solve to see how many more you need?
It's a Star Wars.
You
Okay, your turn.
Me borrow one of them for 10 days.
And they got the same one as me.
I just got a handful and put them in there. Oh, this is easy.
I'm trying to get it out. Okay, hold on. Don't look.
No, I wear handful.
I need to put all my pins.
Sun pain. Okay, sun pain equals.
Okay. Now this has to be 11. This is 11 again. I like the answer. No, I do. Plus something. That can't be 10. Let's see. 1, 2.
Put your finger on 8 and go to 20. How many times did you jump?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 13. You got it wrong. It was 13. It was not 10.
Count again.
12. So were you able to find out different number sentences that you can use to make 20? Yes. Oh, we're not drawing, Nicholas. So go ahead and pick your counters in your cup, and when I come by, you can pick it up. Y'all did such a great job.
I didn't even get to play.
Alright, go ahead and pick your dry erase marker up. I don't know why y'all are coloring. So clean off your desk, put your dry erase marker up. Oh, why are we coloring? I just said we're not coloring. Because we're going to move into math stations. So we're going to go ahead and move to math stations. If you have the back table, you're going to meet me at the carpet, okay? And if you have, which ones do you need to see today?
I'll just take independent.
Okay, so if you have independent, go to